Keto Lasagna. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. Start by making the crust. Crack eggs into a medium-sized bowl and add shredded cheese. Give it a good stir to combine. 3. Use a spatula to spread the cheese and egg batter on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can form 2 round circles or just make one large rectangular pizza. 4. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes until the pizza crust turns golden. Remove and let cool for a minute or 2. 5. Increase the oven temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 225 degrees Celsius. 6. Spread tomato sauce on the crust and sprinkle oregano on top. Top with cheese and place the pepperoni and olives on top. 7. Bake for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the pizza has turned a golden brown color. Serve with a fresh salad on the side. Ingredients: 1½ cups, 6 ounces, shredded mozzarella cheese. 3 tablespoons unsweetened tomato sauce. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 1/4 cups, 6 ounces, shredded provolone cheese. 1½ ounce pepperoni. Olives, optional. 2 ounces, 1 cup, leafy greens. 1/4 cup olive oil. Salt and ground black